name is Reverend Dankwa, and it's my pleasure to invite you to the third TB Dankwa Missions Fund and Public Lecture. These lectures are to raise awareness of some missions-related topics of interest to the general society, and also to raise funds for GHAFES ministry in the tertiary institutions. The theme for this year is Speaking Truth to Power, Whose Responsibility? And the speaker is Reverend Professor Kwabena Asamoah-Jedu, President of Trinity Theological Seminary. The chairman is Mr. R.G. Edumante, Chairman of the Ghana Road Fund. The time will be 6 p.m. on Thursday, 5th of November 2020. This time it's going to be on Zoom, and so wherever you are in the world, you are able to join us. We hope that you keep this date open and be with us on the 5th of November 2020. Thank you very much.